Okay guys, here is multiplying decimals. Remember when you multiply decimals, you're gonna act like there's no decimal point there when you're multiplying. And then after you're gonna look at how many numbers are behind the decimal point, and that's how many places we're gonna move it over. So we're gonna start first by multiplying. So number one, 4 times 9 is 36. I'm gonna carry my 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, so I get 76. I don't have any more numbers to multiply, and I'm not going to multiply the zeros because I don't need to. Now I see I have one number that is behind the decimal point, this 4 right here. Okay, so what that means is that my decimal point right now and my answer is here. Let me make that a little bit bigger for you. But I need to move it over one direction this way because there's one spot that's behind the decimal, one number. So I'm just going to move it one spot. So my answer is 7.6. Okay, let's take a look at this one over here that has multiple numbers in the decimals. So I'm going to just multiply like there's no decimals first. So 4 times 7 is 28. 7 times 9 is 63, 64, 65. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 6 is 27. Now I'm moving over to the next place value, so I'm going to put a placeholder here. Cross off these guys. And then we have 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to carry my 1. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9, 10, 11. Okay, I'm going to add just like I normally would. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 2 plus 1 is 4. And I'm going to bring my 1 down. Okay, now I'm looking to see how many numbers do I have behind the decimal point. I see I have 2 decimals here, and that's 1, 2 numbers, plus another 1, 2 numbers. So here I have 2 and another 2, making it 4. So I'm going to move my decimal point over 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So my answer is 1 and 4,578 10,000ths. Now, because my answer has so many numbers behind the decimal, I'm actually going to round it. And normally I round my answer to the nearest hundredth place. So we've got the tenths place and hundredth place. When I round to the hundredth place, I'm going to underline that number. I'm going to look next door at this 7. Is it 5 or greater? Yep. So I'm going to raise the score. So my rounded answer would be 1 and 46 hundredths. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.